Welcome back to SR Studio. This is types tool. For the next is area type tools. You can use this for typing the specific areas of your shape. I will give you the example. You can just click in the text and click hold the text. You see the area type tool, you click it, and the first I will draw the shape. I will using the rectangle. Okay, and then I want to types in this rectangle. You can use this area type tool. Just click in this side, in the line of the shape. This is your text, and you can customize by size or just this align center or etc. You can you give the another example. If you put if you make a scale of your shape, this is just your text, doesn't matter what. I will draw the other shape. I will draw this and copy this, and I will text in the center of this circle. You can using this shape builder tool. I will create the object, click of here, and then I will using area type tools to click in the line. This is your text. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you the next tutorial. Bye bye.